Hi guys, thank you all for watching and welcome back to Sewing Clara. Today we're gonna continue with a few easy Christmas DIYs, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make these easy Christmas trees. They're made simply of a cardboard and a cord, so they are also super inexpensive. And if you want to know how to make these Christmas trees, then please keep watching. For our today's project, we'll need a piece of cardboard, a cord, a few stars cut out of cardboard made of polymer clay or wooden stars like I bought for this project, and a glue gun. First, I drew triangles on the cardboard. I made sure all were equally long and I made an even number of them. Next, I cut the triangles out. I put always two pieces together and cut a small hole in each top. Since the cardboard was rather thin, I glued two triangles together and then I cut back any excess cardboard around the edges. I pulled a small piece of cord through the holes on the top and tied it. As a next step, I took the cord and glued it on a random place on the triangle with hot glue. Once the glue cooled off, I started wrapping the cord further around the triangle. Occasionally, I glued the cord on a few places to secure it a bit better. I continued wrapping the triangle into the cord until I liked the result. Then I glued the end of the cord in place. And then I gave the trees a few coats of white spray paint. I glued the wooden stars on the tops. And then the trees were finished. Alright, so that's how I created these cute Christmas trees. It's super easy and you can use them as a decor pretty much anywhere in the house, or you can use them as Christmas tree ornaments. And of course, you can create them in any sizes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed our today's creative project. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you very much. God bless you and see you soon. Bye!